10 won't start. They've given it pressure to the filters. They're changing the check valves. No start. Check engine, and no start. Packard MX-13 EPA 10. No quiere arrancar. Falta de petróleo, supuestamente. Le han chequeado la corriente, computadora, chequeado todo. They've checked everything already. Computer, cable, harness, all over, and nothing. Keep you posted, guys.